welcome. Today we are continuing working in my living room, doing some more decorating. I'm going to be doing tabletops this time, pillows on couches. I'm going to be seeing lots of white snowflakes with that Dreamy Winter Wonderland theme that I have going. You're going to be seeing lots of sparkle, using some crystal pieces and lots of silver also, and a lot of white. I also threw in a little surprise. You're gonna have to stay tuned in the video for this because I did a little extra tree this year for the very first time. I did an elf theme, just a little tiny tree of maybe a 4-footer. It turned out so cute. I hope you stay tuned for seeing that in the video. I just want to say Merry Christmas and thank you for joining me. All these videos have been so wonderful to make. I enjoyed giving all these videos to you. I appreciate you all and all the comments that everybody has sent me and the likes and subscribes, and it's been overwhelming and just so much joy actually experiencing this on YouTube. I've had so much fun and it has been such a great experience for me, and I look forward to bringing you more videos coming up this year. You're here for those too, and I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining me with all these videos, and I appreciate everything and all your support. I couldn't obviously do this without you guys. It's been a wonderful journey and I want to keep on this journey and I'm loving it. So thank you again. Merry Christmas. Have so much fun with your family and friends and celebrate and enjoy all the festivities coming forward. Christmas is around the corner. And, have a wonderful new year and we'll see you soon. Thank you.
I'm giving the tables a quick wipe down first before I start decorating. And the first thing I'm going to put is my crystal trees. And they change colors and different heights, so I'm just going to use those on this end table. I'm trying to make a little bit of a sparkly display for this table. I'm just heading over to the side of the room and I'm adding in my Santa and another sparkly tree. I have this present and it lights up. I'm just heading over to the chair and I'm going to add some more white in because I do have a lot of white going on in the living room, and adding in this big puffy pillow, some more pastel pinks with this cute little gingerbread pillow which is so adorable, and more white with another snowflake. This vase is so heavy, but I'm going to use it and add in a bunch of sparkly branches. I've had these for a couple years now. So now I'm heading into my front entrance and I'm going to just put a little bit of decorations in here, not too much. It is a small entrance, so I'm just adding a few little pieces. You're going to see me add in some pine cones and this sleigh. I'm going to hang this. This is actually a coat closet. And now I'm just going to add in a pillow for the bench. I have this candy pillow that I bought at Hobby Lobby this year, and I'm just going to add that in front. And I have more pillows, covers that I purchased from Amazon, and these ones I'm adding onto my couches. And these are so cute. They actually go with my kitchen tablecloth. They bring in more of that pastel pink with a little bit of white with these touches with the snowflakes. I'm just showing you guys these books. This is kind of a little personal touch that I'm just going to share with you. My daughter, these are a couple things that she made when she was a little younger, and I keep them in these books. These books are kind of something she had through her childhood, and this is a picture that she drew. I'm just going to share this with you. We used to call them Flowey. She used to draw them all the time, and she taped these 2 letters into this little card that she gave us for Christmas one year, and I've kept them, and it's just a little keepsake that I have that I keep, and every year I put out and I keep it in these books. And it's just something that means a lot to me. And these books were given to her from her grandparents. And every year I just keep them out. I'm a little sentimental at heart. So to me, having things like this around, it just brings back so many memories from the past. And it's something that, I don't know, I just really appreciate, and I just still love having them around, and I look through them a little bit every year. And I'm just going to give my coffee table another wipe down. I'm going to place this in the middle, and I don't want a great big centerpiece on this coffee table. I'm just going to do a shorter centerpiece, but I am going to add in some crystal look to this too, to have a sparkle on the table. And I found these cute little reindeers just from the dollar store, and I'm just going to add those in front. I always use this high candy dish. It's not really a candy dish, but I use it for a candy dish. What I envisioned with the living room this year to bring the look together was lots of sparkle, lots of white, and make it like that white wintry wonderland look. So I think it turned out pretty good. You'll have to let me know if you like it. Let me know what you did in your living room this year for Christmas. And I'm putting more pillows on my other couch, trying to match the other side, using the same kind of pillows, and adding in more of my snowflakes. I really enjoyed these snowflakes this year, having these on the couches. I really wanted to have an elf tree this year, so this is what I created. Just a little 4-foot tree, but I wanted to make the elves look like they were busy working on the tree as a little unit together. I put some standing and some sitting and made it look very fun. It turned out really, really cute. This tree does light up. You're not going to see it on camera, but it does light up. And I just have this little tree at the side entrance of the house. It's so sweet. I love this. This is actually one of those things that you have in your mind, you want to create, and you bring it to life. And this is how it is. And I'm happy I did it this year. Okay, so we're getting close to the end of the video, and I just want to say again, thank you for joining me. And thank you for watching all these Christmas videos we've had in our Christmas series. We do have one more video coming your way, and we're hoping to get out a home tour. So hopefully you get a chance to watch that. And I want to say Merry Christmas once again and Happy New Year and Toodaloo. We'll see you next time.